In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and export your transaction history on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, this is very useful. It's mainly used for tax reporting stuff, and it will make that job much easier. So all you need to do is log into your Kraken account, then go to this left sidebar. We can expand it if we want to, and go to activity. So right here, we're gonna see the transaction history. In my case, as you can see, I only have one transaction, which was a Litecoin deposit. So to export it, we are gonna go to export history. Then it will bring you to this page where we can see your past exports. As you can see, I did 2 already, but to create a new export, we are gonna click on this button. Then we're gonna choose a export type. So we can do the account statement, we can export a history of your balances. We can do ledger, which is basically the history of all the transactions, which is what we are looking for. Or you can also export a trading history. So let's choose ledger, and right here you will find more information. So we can put a specific date if you want to, for example, the last week, the last 30 days, this month or last month or last year. If we want a custom date, we can also click the calendar and put any day we want. So let's put, for example, last 7 days. Now we can choose transaction types. So as you probably know, there are a lot of different types of transactions. You can deposit, you can withdraw, you can transfer or trade money. So I'm just gonna select all of them. Then the assets or the coin. In my case, as you saw earlier, I only have Litecoin, but in your case, you will find every coin you have used on Kraken. Then the fields, you can also customize this or put whatever you need. And the format, you can choose a PDF file or CSV, which is the spreadsheet format. In my case, I'm gonna leave it as PDF and generate. So as you can see, mine only takes a few seconds, but depending on how many transactions you have, it could take up to some minutes. So once you have your export ready, we're gonna download it. Now save it, and let's just open it. So it will download a folder with the PDF file right here. Let's open it, and right here you will find the full list of all your transaction history. At the top you will also find some personal information. That's why I have zoomed in my PDF. So yeah, in my case I only have one transaction. That's why this is the only thing that appears, and you will find details about every single transaction, like the type, the time, the coin, the wallet, the amount, the fee, and the resulting balance after this transaction. So this will make your job of reporting your taxes much easier. And yeah, that's basically the process you need to follow if you want to export your transaction history on Kraken. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.